What is going on, guys? It's Fazer and welcome to my first ever vlog. Now, I'm very scared of a camera, okay? I don't like taking pictures, I don't like doing face cam on stream, I don't like doing face cam on YouTube videos. I normally force myself to, or get forced into doing it by like people who are watching my stream or whatever, right? So I'm very like self-conscious. So this is my first vlog. Please don't judge me too much, but if I do something wrong, 100% let me know so I can maybe fix it for the future. So I talked to someone, Brody basically watches my streams and plays with me and everything like that, right? So I asked him, should I do vlogging and stuff? Got some advice of him as well, right? And he said I should make the vlogs around 10 minutes long. I don't know if this one's going to be 10 minutes long or not. All I know is that I'll attempt to do as good as I can. I'll try, and hopefully it will be satisfactory, okay? So something just happened to me, okay? And it's a bit weird. It's and I don't believe it's whatever. You know, I'll explain the story and then you'll probably understand it a little bit better. So, I smoke, okay? When I smoke, I don't smoke in my room, I smoke at my window because I have 2 kids, okay? And smoking around the house, no. So I go into the bathroom, sit on the windowsill and smoke out the window. So it's pitch black in the bathroom, right? Because if you turn the light on and with the window open, moths come in, and then my daughter chases them around and the cat goes crazy after. It's a long fucking day, okay? So I'm recording this currently at 2:15 AM, okay, UK time. And I know I'm not looking into the camera as much. I'm trying to not think I'm on a camera, okay? But so what happened is I was just sitting there having a cigarette and I was looking through my phone like to see if there's any new videos on YouTube that I can watch while I smoke. It's an addiction, but it's not that much of an addiction. I need to watch something when I eat, when I smoke. If I'm just sitting there doing nothing, I need to watch something, so I'll find new shit on YouTube to watch. So that is the situation, okay? So I'm just sitting there and I'm not doing anything. There's no sound in the house at all. Everyone is asleep, okay? So I'm sitting there and all I hear all of a sudden is this like grinding of your teeth. You know, if you've ever grind your like teeth together and like just move your jaw backwards and forwards, it will make that grinding sound, okay? If you clench your teeth, do it. And that's the sound I heard. Normally people do this in their sleep, majority. It's like a very distinct sound of someone grinding their teeth to death, okay? And there's no way it could mean the kids or anything. The door was closed and literally no sound goes in and out of the room at that time. Okay, so it wasn't that. So I thought it might have been my son that woke up and came to the toilet, to like bathroom toilet thing to like have a wee at night or something. And I was just thinking, okay, it's that. But it wasn't. I shone my light towards the bathroom, like into the bathroom bit, right? And there was nothing there. And I just kept hearing this grinding sound. I was like, what the fuck is this shit? I thought maybe it's from outside, maybe it's from, you know, it could be like just the floorboards creaking, but it didn't sound like a creak. It genuinely sounded like a grind. It was so bad. And I don't believe in ghosts. I don't believe in like paranormal activities. Everything happens for a reason in my eyes anyway. Other people disagree. Other people could think something different. But I didn't see anything until I see something. I don't believe it. So if you tell me like you can jump like 1,000,000 miles, right? Just stand jump 1,000,000 miles. Until I see that, you can't do it, period. Okay? So I looked around, I was like, what the fuck is this noise, man? I thought, okay, maybe it's the cat being a dickhead. It wasn't the cat. The cat's asleep downstairs in front of the radiator. So I was like, okay, it's not the cat. And I'm just sitting there thinking, what the fuck is this shit, dude? Why is this sound happening? It's the first time I've ever heard it as well. So I just continue having my cigarette, walk into the room, and the sound is still it was still going on until about maybe 5 to 10 minutes ago. The sound stopped. Okay, I was like, okay, you know, it could have been a floorboard. It's a cold day. The floorboards might have been just making noises because floorboards do stupid things because they're wood, and wood does stupid things during the year, like expands and contracts and stuff. So I was like, okay, it's that. But honestly, that shit was weird, man. It wasn't freaky as in like I was scared. It was just freaky as in like I've never heard it before. So it happened. I was like, damn. And I was like, oh shit, I'm gonna make a vlog. I might as well talk about it, and also talk about what I'm going to be vlogging. So I don't have a very interesting life like you see with other vloggers. Like they itchy nose, don't do it. So I don't have a very interesting life. Like I don't go out like and go to like say Nadeshot, Red Bull offices. I don't do that. Most I'll do is like drop my kids to school, gym, you know, the normal daily stuff, shopping and stuff like that, right? Like daily routine of a normal human being. I live a normal life. I don't live like fucking one day I'm going to California, next day I'm going to freaking New York. Like that's crazy. I don't live that lifestyle. So I don't know what to vlog. So I was thinking maybe stories about my life, because I've had a pretty interesting life at best. So there might be some stories that people relate to, there might be stories that people don't relate to, and it could be personal stories, could be like non-personal, could be like very, very personal where I haven't told a lot of people about it. So I was thinking something like that, maybe. I don't know, give me suggestions on what you'd like to see. Recording outside in public, no, not yet, maybe in the future, not now, but I'm doing this for a bit of fun to like, it's kind of like a test. I want to see how far this can go, like vlogging. So because like I'm uploading 2 videos on my main channel, trying to anyway, every single day, and trying to do a vlog as well, because like I've got very certain YouTubers that I watch that are like inspiring. They're like, damn, if they can do it, why can't I do it? You know what I mean? Like I don't want to be YouTube famous, I don't want to be big, I don't want to be known. Like mostly, majority of the time, like 90% of it, I do YouTube for me. Like it's my personal diary. I put videos out there on stuff that I can look back and be like, what the hell was I doing in this video? Why the hell was this video ever made? And then like in the future be, maybe think otherwise, like damn, this was a good video. Do you know what I mean? So like it'd be something like that. I was thinking maybe that's a good idea, maybe, possibly. But I don't know, you guys let me know, and then obviously I can maybe do it possibly to a point, do like challenges on here, maybe get some friends involved, do stuff with my kids as well, I don't know what you guys want to see, what you don't want to see. So 100% let me know, and I think that's possibly it. I don't know if this is 10 minutes or not. Brody probably kill me if it's not 10 to 15 minutes, so I don't know. But I'll hopefully leave it here and maybe make another video tomorrow or the day after, depending on what you guys think of this one. And yeah, I think that's it. So thank you very much for watching the video, guys. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys next one. See ya.